Hi everyone, this is Jovi ng Visa Tutorial. Paano po ba mag-apply ng dual citizen dito sa Amerika? Kaka-apply ko lang po at turuan ko po kayo kung paano. Sa inyong computer, buksan niyo lang po ang inyong browser at isearch ang inyong Philippine Consulate kung saan po kayo under ng jurisdiction. Ako po ay under ng Philippine Consulate, San Francisco. So ito po. Buksan natin ito. Meron po silang phone number dito sa ibaba na pwede niyong tawagan kung kayo po ay may mga katanungan bago pumunta sa kanilang office. Dito po sa ibaba, nakalagay naman yung mga listahan ng mga states na ilalim ng San Francisco jurisdiction. Pag yung state nyo naman po ay wala sa listahan ng San Francisco, pwede nyo pong hanapin. I-type lang po sa browser nyo ang Other Philippine Consulate. Sa Philippine Consulate ng LA, makikita ang listahan ng mga Philippine consulates at yung mga lugar na ilalim ng kanilang jurisdiction. So ito po yung Embassy of the Philippines, Washington, D.C. At nandito po yung mga lugar, mga states ng under ng kanilang jurisdiction. Ito naman po yung Guam. Tapos ito po yung information na kailangan nating malaman. Tapos Chicago. Yan po yung mga info ng Chicago, Illinois. Tapos yan po yung states under their jurisdiction. Hawaii, Houston, Texas, New York, tapos po San Francisco. So ako naman po, I am from Washington State, so I am under Philippine Consulate General San Francisco. Sa services nila, punta po tayo sa dual citizenship. Kasi yan po yung kailangan kong i-apply. Ito po yung general information about dual citizenship. Ito po yung mga requirements na kailangan natin gawin o dalhin. Number 1 po is online appointment. To be honest, online appointment is only available every Monday. So, you can only find slots every Monday. Tapos po, minsan, they're usually fully booked. So, ang hirap maghanap ng appointment. I called and I asked kung pwede bang mag-walk-in. Sabi naman po, pag hindi ka taga San Francisco, you can just walk in and tell them that you are from out of state. Nung nandun na po ako, hindi naman po tinanong kung taga San Francisco ba ako o hindi. Tinanong lang kung may appointment ba ako and I said no. So, they said that you can just wait. Pinapasok yung mga may appointment muna. Tapos kami, after that, we waited for an hour and then they let us in. So, okay naman po pag walang online appointment. You can just go walk in. Alright? So, next one is we can now download this dual application form. So, advice ko lang po na i-fill out ito bago tayo pumunta sa office. Ito po yung name as written on your Philippine birth certificate. Tapos po, if you're married, you can write your married name naman dito sa number 2. Tapos ano po yung supporting documents na bakit nyo po change yung name nyo is marriage certificate for me because I am married here in the US. Ito po yung place of birth. Tapos yung civil status. So this one is general information about you. So we fill this out para lang po as an example if you need help kung paano ba mag-fill out ng application for retention of Philippine citizenship. Tapos name of your spouse, name of applicant's father, name of applicant's mother, and then their citizenship. Alright. So, dito naman sa ibaba is how Philippine citizenship was initially acquired. For me, it's by birth. And applicant's current citizenship is I am a U.S. citizen. Tapos, mode of acquisition is naturalization. Date of acquisition of your foreign citizenship. Tapos, yung certificate number naman ng naturalization. Yung foreign passport, don't forget to do that. And then date and place. I just left it blank kasi I don't want to put my foreign passport number in there. And then supporting documents that you are going to submit. Tapos naman, yung Philippine permanent address nyo. Tapos, yung address nyo naman here in the US sa number 18. And then you can put your cell phone number, your email address. If you want to give your work telephone number, you can do it, but for me, it's not applicable. And then what's your occupation? Sa akin po is unemployed. And then you can, applicant signature here, you can leave it blank. You can do it in front of the consulate. So dito naman po, this is not applicable for me. So I left this whole page blank. Tapos, the date of application, I left it blank. And applicant signature over printed name. So I did it in front of the consulate, doon po sa office. Ito naman po, after the dual application form, you can do number 3, present all originals and submit 1 photocopy. So you have to have original birth certificate, US foreign certificate, tapos photocopy nyo po yan. 3 identical photographs of 2x2 passport style. Tapos po yung Philippine passport, US passport, you have to present the original tapos photocopy. Marriage certificate, pwedeng Philippines, pwede din pong US marriage certificate. Tapos, ito po yung fee. Alright? So, tara, let's go and hand it in. Ito pala po yung mga listahan na binigay nila when I got in the office, and the guy said you should have all of this. Pagkapasok nyo po sa office, you need to go to window 1 to get a number. Tapos maghintay na lang po na tawagin yung number nyo. Ito po yung mga sample ng mga requirements, documents na kailangan nating dalhin at ibigay. Ayan po. Alright. Tapos ito po yung binayaran ko, yung receipt. And this is my certificate of my dual citizenship. Thank you po sa pag-watch ng aking video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat po. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye!